Catching some Z's, a guide to understanding sleep in English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, catching some Z's. This phrase is all about sleep, a universal activity, but how it's expressed in English might be new to many of you. Stay with us as we dive into the meaning, origin, and usage of this unique expression. Catching some Z's is a colloquial and humorous way to say that someone is sleeping. The letter Z is often used in comic books and cartoons to represent snoring sounds, which indicates that someone is asleep. So, when someone says they're catching some Z's, they mean they're going to sleep or are already sleeping. The origin of catching some Z's comes from the comic strips and cartoons of the early 20th century. Artists used the letter Z to represent the sound of snoring in a visual way. Over time, this representation became widely recognized, and the phrase, catching some Z's, entered spoken language as a light-hearted way to refer to sleep. 1. Casual conversations. This phrase is perfect for informal settings. For example, I'm going to catch some Z's before the meeting. 2. Humorous tone. It often adds a playful or light-hearted tone to the conversation. 3. Variations. You might also hear variations like grabbing some Z's or getting some Z's. After studying all night, Tom was really looking forward to catching some Z's. Sorry, I can't come to the phone right now. I'm catching some Z's. The long flight is a good opportunity for me to catch some Z's. That's all about catching some Z's. We hope this video has helped you understand this unique and playful English phrase. Remember, it's all about sleep, but said in a fun and casual way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting English language content. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be catching on to English idioms with ease.